Alrighty, so I've got my business blazer on, so it is time to talk some business. And this video is for some of our favorite clients to work with, our restaurants. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily find and analyze your prime costs, which, as you may know, are your cost of goods sold, your payroll, and your common area maintenance. Now, your prime costs are especially important in the restaurant industry because they represent the largest and the most controllable expenses. And so this means that when you know and can easily read these percentages, you can use them to make really good business decisions for your restaurant regarding things like menu pricing, staffing decisions, and inventory control. Now, today we're going to be using Xero, so if you are using QuickBooks or another accounting software, just reach out to us to figure out how to do all of this in your accounting software. And we're going to be using a demo company, the Balanced Plate. So before we get started, what you want to do in your own accounting software is to make sure that all of your bank and credit card transactions are entered and fully reconciled in your accounting system. Now, again, we're using a demo company, so we don't have any transactions in here, but we do have financial data in our statements. And then the second thing that you want to do in your own accounting system is to ensure that your chart of accounts or your reports include clearly labeled categories for your prime costs, for your COGS, your payroll, and your common area maintenance costs. And that all of the transactions that you entered in step 1 are correctly mapped to those accounts and consistently. Now, these two steps are very important. They're crucial because without it, your reports aren't going to be correct. You're not going to be able to get your accurate prime costs, so you won't be able to make decisions based on accurate numbers. All right, so let's take a look at this report. So in your accounting software in Xero, you're going to go to Accounting and Reports. And we're going to open up the income statement under financial statements. And I already have a custom report created for my prime cost. So again, if you need any help setting up this custom report or a custom chart of accounts, just reach out to us. You're going to select the period that you want to take a look at. In this case, we're going to be doing year to date, but we recommend doing this on a weekly basis. That's the best case scenario. If not weekly, then definitely monthly, because you'll be able to see the trends and you'll be able to have the most up-to-date, accurate information if you're looking at this as often as possible. Now, to get our percentages, we're going to click on More, Percentage of Income, and Update. So this will update our dates and our percentages. And here we can take a look at our total percentages for our prime cost. So we've got our cost of goods sold, our payroll, and our common area maintenance. So our cost of goods sold percentage is 35.05, payroll is 33.08, and our prime costs are 6.82. Now, what does this mean? Well, if we compare them to industry standards, cost of goods sold should be anywhere from 28 to 35%. So we're right at the top level of that. Payroll should be 25 to 30%. So we're a little high there. And common area maintenance should be anywhere from 3 to 6%. So again, looking at these numbers regularly and consistently, you'll be able to see, are we trending upward? Are we trending downward? Are we staying the same? For individual accounts, what is our highest percentage of income account? What is eating up the most of our cash? And can we make decisions that can decrease that number? For instance, can we find vendors that have equal quality product but for less, for cheaper? Are we paying too much in overtime? Can we find a different vendor for pest control? So reviewing these percentages regularly helps you to spot those rising costs before they eat into profits. Successful restaurants often target their prime costs to be less than 65% of total sales. So, you want to keep a really close eye on your prime costs. And doing this can help you make informed decisions in running your restaurant, like things like menu pricing, staffing. So that's it. If you need help setting up your chart of accounts, or if you want expert insight into what these numbers mean and how you can get them to the level you want them, don't hesitate to reach out. Keeping a close eye on these key metrics is one of the best ways to run a profitable and successful restaurant. And here at KAC Consulting, we want to help you know your numbers so that you can love your numbers. Thank you for watching.